Going on, everybody? Welcome to Bennett Performance Garage. I'm going to be putting spoilers on this car. I got from eBay. They're like $100. I got most of it all cleaned up. It's all ready to go. These are the spoilers. It doesn't come with the tape on them already. I put them on there before I started this video, but this video is not going to be very long. But I just thought I'd bring you guys with me to so you can see me putting these on. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to start with the top one that goes on top of the trunk lid right here. Right now I am peeling off the other side of the sticky side so I can stick it to the trunk lid, or hatch as you would call it, because it's a hatch. So this is the top part. I got all the sticky side off. Now I'm going to go and place it on, and try not to touch the sticky part. And once you're happy where it's at, smash it on there. If you get fingerprints all over it, it's not an issue. It's not a big deal. It happens. It's the process of putting them on. That's what they make cleaner for, to get them off. Now once I'm done making sure it's on there, I will take some masking tape and tape it over to help hold it down. I'll do the same for the part that goes down here too. Alright, now I'm going to do the bottom one. Here's the bottom one. I'm going to be taking these off. Trying to not stand in the camera because I'm sure you don't want to see me picking at. Trying to get this red stuff off. This one's wanting to be stubborn. The last piece. Yep, got it. Alright. Do the same thing with the process up top. Make sure it's where you want it before you place it onto the panel that you're going to put it onto, because it's not going to want to come back up very easily, like I just about did. Well, it's not perfect, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get it back up. Oh, maybe. Oh no, she's stuck. Oh. Oh, I had stuck over here. In that one fucking spot. Come on, you gotta come off of there. Get off, please. You really want to be a pain. Well, crap. I guess that's where it's gonna have to live. The fitment's okay, but it also didn't help that I didn't put it exactly where it needed to be. It's not far off, but I don't like it hanging over a little bit here and not over here. But it wanted to be there, so it'll have to do. Maybe when the adhesive decides to stop being sticky and holding it on here, maybe then I'll fix it. But that's probably about as good as it's gonna get. So there you go. That's what it looks like. Looks pretty good to me. And here's the gap I'm talking about. I got it about good right here, and then it is good where I want it right here, and then it starts coming out a little bit here, and then I got that much of a gap on this side. Now I don't know if it's just short in general, and that's how it was made, or what. I'm not sure. But I'm not too keen on the little gap here, though. I wish it was more up here, like this part, and over there, but that's what you get for aftermarket stuff. This is a no-name brand spoiler kit I got on eBay for like $100, and the quality seems really good. So if you guys want to see any more of this car, I'm probably not going to do much more to it because it's brand new. It's a 2026 Honda Sport hatchback with the little 2.0 liter 4-cylinder, naturally aspirated. It's a very good car on gas mileage. Much better than my truck. That truck was, I didn't like it. I had it for 2 years and got rid of it. Got this. Brand new. It only had 15 miles on it. MSRP is 30 grand and I got walked out of there for 22,000 for trade-in. Plus they paid off my truck. But it's a very good clean car. I really love the color. It's called Urban Gray Pearl. You probably won't be able to see it in the paint. Might be a little bit. But it's a very nice car. So I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to put the masking tape on it to help hold it on there. I think it'll be fine though, but never be too sure. And please, if you do something like this for this year car, it's for 2021 to 2026 Honda Civic hatchbacks. And they're basically called the 11th gen Civic. But if you want to do something like this to yours, you can get both of these on eBay for $100. Not too bad. Alright, I'll see y'all later. Peace.